What's up, guys? JD Knowles here and the old guy. Welcome to the repairs day video. We are replacing spark plugs and cables, not cables, wires. Spark plug wires.
Yes.
On 2010 Chevy, actually no, this is GMC Savana. That's a V8 4 point God knows what. Alright, so first thing first, you're gonna have to use some sort of a lift or something. Hoist.
4.8 kg.
4.8.
Yes, I think so.
Remove the tires. Remove the little skirt. Not completely, leave it hanging. Yeah. And
Take out the spark wires. Take out. Because now we take the spark plugs.
And we're gonna try remove everything and replace without taking the middle cap off. And we're gonna use a baby impact for that.
Yes, that's a baby. Need the vibration to make it up the spark plugs. Easy. Easy to take.
Different joint.
No, that's a no room for.
Is that a double joint?
Yes. Out. That's out. That's right. Inside.
Now to the brass tacks, eh?
How is it? Okay. We take it again. Just a minute.
I'm gonna use the extension. So I assume they got it a lot loose.
That's it.
Yep.
Easy.
So you don't have to take the whole damn thing out, center console.
For the spark plug is easy. If you put the whole loose. That's what this car is used every time I see the GM
No NGK.
no indicate. That's a GM new. For GM is best to put the IC dump. That's it. And put the floor back.
It's gonna be hard to reach this
Yeah,
ship.
you need put first with hand to catch the trade good. If not catch good, after up the trade. So you need it with hand. Every time with hand, put spark plug inside.
So now we're installing the last one, and it's not a last. It's closest. It's the hardest one.
This side, last this side.
Okay.
To see.
I can see it from here.
See?
It's kind of hard to see, but you're doing it by hand. Yeah. You can reach it. There's a space between muffler.
See this? Maybe I want.
Using a double joint. Okay. Of course, you can't see anything from here. Alright, so all four changed. Now we just need to do the same thing on another side and then replace these things too. Brand new ones right here. Spark plug. Alright, Let's do it.
See, if you can
See it.
connection.
Oh, right there, yeah. You can see it. It's right there.
Yes.
Is there a difference in the length of the wires or no?
No, same, everything.
They're all the same.
Yes, no need.
So just put a grease inside. Hey, if this video helped you out, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and as always, I'm bringing new content every Friday or so. I'm trying to be on schedule every Friday, so there's plenty of more tutorials and how-tos coming up, and just plain old good fun. So please subscribe and cheers.